Have you seen those viral ads all over Facebook and YouTube claiming you can lose 60 pounds or more in just a few weeks using something called the pink salt trick? No workouts, no diet changes, just a pinch of pink Himalayan salt mixed in a so-called fat-dissolving recipe. Sounds like magic, right? But let's be real, when something promises extreme results with zero effort, it usually means there's a catch. These videos often look polished and convincing, with dramatic before and after images, confident narrators, and personal stories that feel authentic, but most of it is carefully scripted marketing, often powered by AI-generated voices and fake testimonials. Some even use actors pretending to be doctors or experts to make it seem more legit. The truth is, while pink salt does contain trace minerals like magnesium and potassium, there's zero scientific proof that it alone can trigger weight loss, melt fat, or boost your metabolism in a meaningful way. At best, it's just salt, and at worst, it's part of a shady ploy to sell overpriced supplements, ebooks, or detox plans to vulnerable people desperate for results. This video breaks down the facts behind the hype, exposes the tactics these marketers use to build trust quickly, and explains why relying on miracle fixes like the pink salt trick could actually distract you from real, sustainable health changes. It's not entirely a scam if you're just adding salt to your water, but the way it's being marketed definitely leans toward misleading. So before you get swept up in the trend, let's take a closer look at what's really happening behind the scenes.